Okay, to do number 38 and 3.2, one of us is dropping a minus sign. So they say that there's a parabola with a vertex at 1, 4, right?
Yes.
And a 0 at,
-1.
am I reading? Yeah, a 0 at x is -1. Okay, so that gives me two pieces of information about my parabola, right? What's this piece of information? Can I rearrange that into a point or something?
It's -1, 0.
Yeah, -1, 0 is on the graph, right? Okay, so I'm going to ditch that piece of information in favor of this one.
I know what I did wrong now. I flipped them.
Flip them. Oh, you swapped the -1 and the positive one?
No, the -1 and 0. I put them in the wrong place.
Oh!
Like when I went to plug
Yeah,
them in, I put them in the wrong places.
Huh. I don't think that should have caused a problem. Anyway, let me, the reason that I'm telling you I don't think that should cause a problem
Because there's probably another one on the other side.
is I'm just kind of doing this in my head. I'm saying, okay, so this is going to be a parabola, right? Okay, so there's a vertex at 1/4 up. Boom, vertex. Okay, then there's supposed to be a 0 at -1, which means that it goes through this dot also.
Which means you can find the other.
So can I draw a U shape that has a vertex here and goes through that dot?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I probably can. So if we had swapped those, right? So like say we just kind of dorked and interchanged, right? 0, -1 is over 0, down 1, that's here. I still think I can draw a U shape through that. You guys see that? What would be a point, that second point, that would cause a problem where I couldn't draw this U shape?
It was a problem.
Yeah, I mean, I think if it was above V, my parabola would just be pointed up instead of pointed down. Where would it for sure be a problem?
1, 3.
Yeah, any place on the vertical line that goes through V, right? Because then my thing would fail the vertical line test and I wouldn't be able to do this. You guys see that? So I think unless it's going to fail the vertical line test, I can do this. And though, so let's go through the how of doing this. How would we do this? What do you set up?
It y equals a x minus h squared.
Okay, so you start with okay, I'm gonna start with a parabola, right? And it's gonna be a times x minus 1 squared plus 4. Right? This is a right 1, up 4 shift. So I got to account for right 1, up 4. Cool. I don't know what this flipping, stretching business going on is, but I can figure that out using the point, right? So how do I figure that out using this point?
Plug it in.
Yeah, plug it in. This is this point, right, if it's going to be on the picture, is an x comma p of x pair, right? So the x -1 apparently goes with p of x is 0. So I said 0 equals a times -1 minus 1 squared plus 4. And I'm guessing this is your dropped minus sign. You guys see that? So if I dropped a minus sign there, right, I'm inadvertently putting a point at 1, 0, right? Which is right there, which ain't going to work because it's on the vertical line. You guys see that? Okay, so fiddle this out. What do you get for a? So you get 0 is a times 4 plus 4. -1 minus 1 is -2. -2 squared is 4.
Yeah. So
No worries. And then a is -1, which means this wasn't a stretch, right? It was just a flip. So my ultimate formula for P is put a -1 in there. So skills.